So some of you may be familiar with this line chart that you're seeing in front of you. So NPS or CSAT or EMPS, if you're in people analytics, will go up and it will go down. And when it's going up, I'm sure that your leadership are very happy and maybe you don't get scrutinized too heavily. When it goes down, sometimes the question can come, why is it going down? And that's where relative insight comes in. One of our main methodologies for comparison, of course, is over time. So by comparing the same data set, let's say, for example, it's a post-purchase survey, month on month or week on week, all of the surveys you're collecting, we're able to help you understand, okay, the CSAT score's gone up. Why is that? What are the topics that's moving? What's the change? What are the themes that are emerging from the data set? And also, what is the language around that? So what phrases are your customers using? What words are they choosing to use? What products are they mentioning? And that why is all the more important, especially if your leadership are prioritizing CSAT and NPS in these quite challenging economic times. Customer retention and customer satisfaction are becoming ever more important. And so the actual outputs, next slide, please, Trish, if possible. The actual outputs would look something like this. So we would do a comparison. You would be able to do that in your tool. And you would be able to look at, for example, where month on month, we've seen a real rise in delivery issues and more specifically damaged products. And we've been able to collect some of those linguistic attributes together, and we're very quickly able to get you to the source of the problem. What is it that's driving that drop? And the way that we're doing that, just to reiterate more time, is that comparison over time. If you just look at that month in isolation, you may see loads of different themes that are emerging from your data. But what you don't know is if they're new, if they're very old problems that have just always been part of your data set, or if they're actually on the decline. And so by comparing month on month, week on week, day on day, whatever it is that your reporting cycle is hinging on, we're able to help you understand what is current, what are the things that you really need to pay attention to and really address to prevent that CSAT or that NPS score falling further.